Word allows you to assign a macro to either a button that appears in the Quick Access toolbar or to an unused keyboard shortcut of your choosing. This can make running macros much easier than the process involved with running them through the Macros dialog box. Once you have assigned a macro to a button or to a keyboard shortcut, you can simply click the button or press the keyboard shortcut in order to run the associated macro. You assign macros to buttons or keyboard shortcuts in the Customize section of the Word Options dialog box. You can access this dialog box by clicking the Microsoft Office button and then clicking the Word Options button in the lower right corner of the command panel. This will open up the Word Options dialog box. Click the Customize category at the left side. You can then use the options at the right side of the window to assign macros to the Quick Access toolbar or to unused keyboard shortcuts. If you want to assign a macro to the Quick Access toolbar, first select Macros from the Choose Commands From dropdown. The name of your macro should appear in the list below the drop-down menu. Select the name of the macro that you want to add to the Quick Access toolbar from this list. Then click the Add button to move the command from the left list to the list at the right side of the window. The list at the right side of the window is a listing of the buttons that will be available on the Quick Access toolbar. Note that you can click on the name of the macro shown in the list and then click the small upwards or downwards pointing arrows that are next to it in order to move the command up or down through the listing of button commands. Also, if you want to give the button a different picture, you can select the name of the macro on the list and then click the Modify button at the bottom. In the Modify button dialog box that appears, you can click on the button picture that you want to use for the macro and then click the OK button. If you want to assign the macro to a keyboard shortcut instead of a button, click the Customize button in the lower left corner of the Word Options dialog box. This will open the Customize Keyboard dialog box. Select Macros from the Categories list at the left side. That will then display all of the available macros in the Macros list at the right side of the dialog box. Select the macro that you would like to assign to a keyboard shortcut from this list. Next, click into the Press New Keyboard Shortcut Key text box and press a new keyboard shortcut combination, such as Alt, Shift, and the B key, for example. If the selected keyboard shortcut is assigned, it will display the function to which the keyboard shortcut has been assigned below the current keys list. If this specific keyboard shortcut is unassigned, it will display that fact in the same location. Make sure that the keyboard shortcut you use is unassigned. If you assign a macro to a standard or assigned keyboard shortcut, you will overwrite the standard shortcut. Once you can see that your keyboard shortcut is unassigned, click the Assign button and then click the Close button. Once you have finished assigning your macros using the Word Options dialog box, click the OK button in the lower right corner of the box to finish your customization and close the box.